In this video, we're going to talk about how to access Maple for Calculus 1. So first thing you're going to do is go to MySCC and log in. Once logged in, we're going to go into Canvas through MySCC. Once in Canvas, make sure that you're in the MAT220 course and go to Modules. And you'll see the entry for Maple Labs, and you'll expand that. And let's go ahead and do this for the intro lab. I'll click on it. And you get a window that says this type of document is not supported for viewing. That's okay. Go ahead and click the download intro. It's going to ask you to open it with Maple 17. Go ahead and click OK. Once in Maple, you'll see a window that looks like this. And you have plenty of resources over here on the side that you can try to use. Feel free. There's plenty in the worksheet as well. All of these arrows are collapsible menus, and the red is code that you can execute. So solve x plus 2 equals 5. My answer is 3. What you're going to do is go through the examples. So there will be plenty of examples in Maple Basics. There's going to be some Maple Algebra. All the red is commands that have been put in for you, and you can go ahead and execute to see what the commands do. So we could start up here. Restart clears the memory, those are good, and then just some basic operations with their answers coming in over here in the middle in blue. So you're going to go through all the examples. There's also some plotting examples, defining functions in Maple, and then you're going to get to the exercises. This will be the part that you turn in. There's some exercises for algebra, and there are some exercises for plotting. Now, what it is you'll be asked a question and then given some carrots in order to answer. So you can use some of the examples from above to answer this question. You can use help in Maple or some of the built-in Maple commands, but you must answer the question using Maple. Just typing in the answer in here will get you 0 credit. So you got to figure out what Maple command will answer this question based on the examples you're given in the lab and based on any other Maple resources you want to use. Now, when you go to turn in your lab, all you need to turn in are the exercises. So you can either minimize all the other arrows or completely delete them. Be sure that your exercises are expanded. So I have my algebra exercises expanded, now I've got to make sure my plotting exercises are expanded. At this point, I need to save, and I'll do a save as, and you should save often so that you don't lose your work if your internet goes down or if something happens. What I'd recommend is building a folder to save it in. This is in your space in your MySCC account, so it'll be there anytime you log in and open Maple. So you could build a new folder and call it whatever you would like, and this could be where you go ahead and save your lab. Be sure to put your name in the file. So that's how you'll continue to work on your lab, and once you have it completed, make sure you save it, and after saving it for turning it in, you can either print out the exercises, or if you would like to email it, you can export as a PDF. So you'll click on Export As, and one of the options here is as a PDF. Be sure to have your name in the file name, and what that does is it creates a PDF that you can email as an attachment. If you turn in a Maple document with either your last name not included in the file name or as a .mw document, I will not open it or grade it. I'll email you back and remind you to say export it to a PDF and turn it in with your name in the file name. So be sure to do those. So that's our intro to Maple for the semester. We'll have several Maple labs during the semester just to get us used to working with a computer algebra system, Maple being the one that we have free access to at SCC. Be sure to keep up with all Maple assignments as the due dates are located in Canvas.